This is the year to recognize those who have succeeded and led in tough times, those who have built their communities, and those who have brought all sides together.
Public service is an opportunity to be an agent for change.
We need to inspire a new generation of leaders in public service now more than ever.
Strong public leadership is most important in difficult times.
Public service offers an opportunity to help those in need.
Awards that honor excellence in public service in all its forms are vital because the need for public service goes up each year.
This year's honorees keep good company. Over the past 18 years, governing has honored more than 158 men and women who represent the best of public service. And tonight, we add 9 more to the distinguished ranks of Public Officials of the Year. Chief of Police Ronald Haddad is about bringing all parts and people of a community together. He did it first in Dearborn, Michigan, a city that has the most concentrated Arab community in the nation. Haddad, the city and state's first Arab-American police chief, extended the community-based policing into relationships building on trust and respect. Chief Haddad was named to the Homeland Security Advising Council to aid the federal department on issues of safety and security, only the second police chief selected to serve on the council. Guided by the steady fiscal hand of Governor Mike Beebe, Arkansas hasn't faced a budget shortfall since 2007, despite declining revenues. With a smile, he'll tell you he doesn't micromanage anything in state government except money. On his watch, the state lowered the grocery tax from 6% to 1.5%, making it the biggest tax cut in state history. The state has also increased investment in education and raised the quality of Arkansas's K-12 program. Governor Beebe believes in the strategy under-promise and over-deliver, and Arkansas believes in Governor Beebe. Joni Mahoney, the first female county executive of Onondaga County, New York, is setting a course in uncharted waters. Convinced that her region would thrive only if Syracuse thrives, Mahoney has gone out of her way to support the city on a number of fronts. Instead of building new treatment plants, Mahoney challenged a U.S. EPA consent order and got the city and county to work together on greener approaches to deal with overloaded sewer systems and toxic runoff. The Save the Rain initiative, which promotes a comprehensive long-term sustainability plan for the region, now has become a national model. Beginning in 1999, Matthew Goldstein, Chancellor of the City University of New York, led the university's transformation from an institution adrift to a veritable American dream machine. Goldstein's willingness to push for higher levels of education has resulted in more and more students choosing the City University over private institutions. Central to his strategy has also been a unique sustainability partnership with the City of New York, in which together school and city have paved the way for the foundation of a new type of infrastructure based on renewable energy. The city of Boston is being tuned up and overhauled with a little help from something called the New Urban Mechanics. Nigel Jacob and Chris Osgood, co-chairs of a unique information technology incubator in the mayor's office, are changing the way citizens interact with city government. And there are apps for that. Their first initiative, Citizens Connect, is a 311-style mobile app for reporting problems and requesting service. It has been downloaded more than 16,000 times and replicated in more than 20 countries since its 2009 launch. Today, the duo is working with small development firms, nonprofits, and colleges, and is managing almost 20 new projects that address needs in infrastructure, education, and what they call participatory urbanism. Utah State Senator Dan Lillienquist likes to say he just geeked out on the data, which seemed necessary to reform the state's retirement system. Lillienquist braved political blowback to design and champion pension reform in Utah. He closed the existing system to new workers and offered them instead a defined contribution plan. It wasn't a popular move, but it received recognition from the Wall Street Journal as an example that other states should follow. Now he is ready to tackle Medicaid. Pulling off what many considered the impossible, Atlanta Mayor Kasim Reed made a clean break with the past while planning for the city's future. The mayor reformed Atlanta's public pension plan by offering a hybrid model which combines defined benefits and defined contributions. The changes also boost the retirement age for new employees, as well as cap the city's annual contribution to the pension funds. Reed has also reopened community centers and pools, added 100 new police officers to city streets, and even instituted a modest pay raise for police and firefighters. His leadership received recognition from the Atlanta Business League, which named Reed CEO of the Year, making it the first time this award has been given to a seated mayor. Judge Lee Hayworth became the voice of reason in Florida when the foreclosure crisis hit, and the number of lawsuits in his circuit ballooned from 900 in 2006 to 8,500 in 2008. The judge required meetings between financial institutions and homeowners to discuss available options before filing for foreclosure. The program resolved 25% of foreclosure cases and became the model for the statewide program later adopted by the Florida Supreme Court. Beyond the front steps of the courthouse, Hayworth has worked to revamp the local foster care program and help combat vets get the treatment they need for drugs, alcohol, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Judges are known for handing rulings down, but Judge Hayworth has also provided a helping hand. These 9 public officials are agents of change through collaboration and innovation, offering strong and resolute leadership through tumultuous times when it matters most. That's what makes them Governing's 2011 Public Officials of the Year.